What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to be doing a motor flush on a 2001 Jeep Wrangler with over 250,000 miles. I'm going to be using Motormedic Motor Flush. Use this about every 50,000 miles. Keeps things running like a top. Some people don't like it. Some people like it. I am a fan. I have 254,000 miles on this thing. It's been working perfectly for me. Wouldn't want to change the magic formula. Also, I use Walmart SuperTech 5W30 oil every time, and couldn't be happier with the M090 Mopar oil filter. So here's everything you're gonna need to do the flush. You're gonna need the Motormedic, you're gonna need the oil, you're gonna need the oil filter removal tool, some paper towels, and a funnel. It's as easy as that. Now don't mind all this wiring, but so we're gonna go ahead and check the level of oil. We are at the bottom dot, which is good because we'll just go ahead and add the Motormedic without having to drain. But in your case, if it's towards the top of the line, just go ahead and drain a little bit of oil first before you add the medic. Per the directions on here, the first thing you're going to do is put your vehicle on a safe level area. You're going to add the oil to the cold engine and let it idle at normal speed for about 5 minutes. And then after you let it idle for 5 minutes, you're going to just drain all of the oil and give it a replace. First, we're going to go ahead and open up the Motormedic. Just 5 minutes. Some people like to go a little over. I set a timer for 5, let it idle, and then drain everything out. Make sure the vehicle is in neutral, and just go ahead and give it a crank. And just let it idle for 5 minutes. We are now 2 minutes in. So just grab a little bit of the oil and go ahead and put it on the seal. Put your funnel in, and my favorite part, filler. Start it up. Make sure you record your mileage. Run it for a couple of minutes. As you can see, still running really nicely. Go ahead and check our level. First time, pull it out. Check our oil level, and we are at about 3/4 of the way to the top line. Awesome. Thank you so much for watching. Happy to show you how to do the motor flush. Hope it gives you as good of results as it does for me. Hope your vehicle can last just as long. I hope to get many, many more hundreds of thousands of miles out of this one. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, comment below, let me know what you'd like to see, and we'll go from there. Thank you so much for watching.